नमस्ते दोस्तों, आप सबका स्वागत है सारस सर क्लासेस में। आज हम टेस्ट ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स एट 10+2 लेवल इस बुक से एक प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने वाले हैं। ये जो बुक है इट इज़ बेसिकली पब्लिश्ड बाय इंडियन स्टैटिस्टिकल इंस्टीट्यूशन टू हेल्प द स्टूडेंट्स इन देयर प्रिपरेशन फॉर आईएसआई एंट्रेंसेस। तो आइए देख लेते हैं कि इस प्रॉब्लम में क्या पूछा गया है। लेट fn is such that it is a mapping from natural number to natural number, and the function is defined by f of 0 is equals to 0, f of 1 equals to 1, and f of n is equals to f of n minus 1 plus f of n minus 2 for all n greater than equals to 2, where capital N is the set of all non-negative integers, and we have to prove the following results: that fn is less than fn plus 1 for all n greater than equals to 2, and the next way is there exists precisely 4 non-negative integers of n for which f of fn is equals to fn। तो आइए देखते हैं कि इस प्रॉब्लम का सलूशन क्या हो सकता है। f is such that it is a mapping from n to n, where n is the set of all non-negative integers, and the function is such defined that f of 0 is equals to 0 and f of 1 is equals to 1. Now fn is equals to f of n minus 1 plus f of n minus 2. Okay, and it is equals to n is greater than equals to 2। तो सबसे पहले हम n इक्वल्स टू 2 ये जो वैल्यू है ये पुट करते हैं इस इक्वेशन में। तो हमें मिलेगा f of 2 is equals to f of 1 plus f of 0। Now f of 1 is equals to 1 and f of 0 is equals to 0, which results in 1. Okay, now put n equals to 3, therefore we get f of 3 is equals to f of 2 plus f of 1, where f of 2 is 1 and f of 1 is also 1, which results in 2। अब हम n इक्वल्स टू 4 की वैल्यू जो है वो निकालते हैं। n इक्वल्स टू 4, therefore we get f of 4 is equals to f of 3 plus f of 2, where f of 3 is 2 and f of 2 is 1, which results in 3। Now let's take n equals to 5. Okay, n equals to 5, which results in f of 5 is equals to f of 4 plus f of 3. Now the value of f of 4 is 3 and f of 3 is 2, which results in 5. Okay, as we can see that f of 2 is less than f of 3, again f of 3 is less than f of 4, f of 4 is less than f of 5, and so on. Therefore we can say that f of n is less than f of n plus 1 for all n greater than equals to 2. Okay, hence the proof. This is the proof of the first portion. Now let's check whether there exist the non-negative integers n for which f of fn is equals to fn or not. As we can see that n for n equals to 0, we get f of 0 is equals to 1. Sorry, f of 0 is equals to 0. Therefore we can say that f of f0 is equals to also f of 0, which results in 0, and this is equals to f of 0. So for n equals to 0, f of fn is equals to fn, it is true. Therefore one of the 4 non-negative integers is 0. Now for let's check n equals to 1. F of 1 is results in 1, therefore f of 1 is equals to f of 1. Okay, so here also f of fn is equals to fn is true. For n equals to 2, f of f2 is equals to, where f of 2 is 1, therefore we get f of 1, and f of 1 is also 1, therefore we can say that f of f2 is equals to f2. Now let's check for n equals to 3. F of f3, the value of f3 is equals to 2. The value of f3 is equals to 2, therefore f of f3 is equals to f of 2, and f of 2 is equals to 1, so which not equals to f of 3. Therefore n equals to 3 is not a case. Now let's check for n equals to 4. We have that f of 4 equals to 3, therefore f of 4 equals to f of 3, and the value of f of 3 is 2, which also not equals to f of 4, therefore n equals to 4 is also not a case. Now let's check for n equals to 5. We have that f of 5 is equals to 5. Now f of 5 is equals to f of 5, which is equals to, therefore we can say that f of 5 is also a case. So we already have our 4 choices, and they are 0, 1, 2 and 5. 0, 1, 2 and 5. Okay, so that's all for today. We Saraswat's classes provide different study materials and mock test series for different ISI entrances, so you can join us, and for further details you can check our website also, which is www.saraswatsclasses.com, and please subscribe our YouTube channel to get the notification first. Thank you very much.